You send out marketing every day, but how can you be confident in it? To break through the noise and attract and convert the right people, it'd be a whole lot easier if you could see more clearly what your customers are thinking and feeling. Introducing 1000-Watt Membership. Marketing content and workshops backed by focused research that gets inside your customer's head. Whether that customer is a home buyer or seller, Gen Z, millennial, boomer, or real estate agent you want to recruit or provide services to, you'll get actionable customer insights, research-backed marketing you can implement now, and access to industry experts who understand your business. We start with monthly deep dives into customer attitudes about the housing market, buyer and listing agent services, fees, and other topics. And every month we turn our latest research into new marketing content for social media and email campaigns, postcards, blog content, and more. That's marketing you can plug into your business today. And we host webinars and office hours to talk about everything real estate. When you join the only community focused on research and run by strategic and creative thinkers, not only will you see the bigger picture, but you'll know exactly what to do about it.